Hey, Pewee.
Hey, Obediah!
Everyone needs to conserve water.
Yeah! What do you mean conserve?
Well, use only what you need and don't waste it.
Oh, I get it. No, I don't get it.
Pewee, remember yesterday when you were brushing your teeth?
Yeah?
And you let the water run the entire time?
Yeah?
Well, you wasted about this much water. And you could have saved this much water.
Oh!
So everyone needs to conserve water.
Yeah. What do you mean everyone?
Well, people like dads, executives,
We're in business.
best friends,
Sup, dude?
cowboys,
Especially when you're parched.
scientists,
H2O.
tuba players, wizards,
Abracadabra.
your auntie,
Sweetie, turn off the faucet when you brush.
pilots, mimes, Benjamin Franklin,
A penny saved is a penny earned.
rock stars, Santa Claus, birds,
Birds!
yes, birds, and also farmers,
Wow, can't get that from here.
Elvis, astronauts, Jedis,
What? Jedi save water too?
yes, Jedis too,
May the force be with you, Pewee.
Woo! Woo! What?
and also cavemen, trapeze artists,
Am I not magnificent?
balloon sculptors, upside down glasses guy, sock man, and even people with rubber chickens.
Everyone?
Everyone.
But not me, right?
Yes, you do.